Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to interact with the MAITRIX Testnet. The first thing to do is to visit the link in the description and connect your wallet by clicking Connect Wallet. Select your preferred wallet and accept the connection request. If after a while it doesn't show that your wallet is connected, just click the Connect Wallet button again and close this modal and the wallet connection will be fixed. This testnet is on Arbitrum Sepolia, so you would need Arbitrum Sepolia ETH to pay gas fees. If you don't have Arbitrum Sepolia ETH, check out the link in the description for some Arbitrum Sepolia faucets. So once you're connected, the next thing to do is to claim test tokens. Click faucets, click ATH. If your address isn't auto-populated, click your wallet address at the top right and click copy address. Then paste it here and click get test ATH. Once you've gotten that, click faucet and click USDE. Click get test USDE. Once you've gotten that, click faucet, click LVL USD and click this big button to claim your token. Once you've gotten that, click faucet and click virtual and click get test virtual and click faucet again, click STATH. So I don't qualify to claim this token, so you might qualify. If you qualify, the process to claim is just as with the other tokens. Now that you've claimed the test tokens, you can start minting and staking. To mint, click mint, and here you can mint AUSD and VUSD. To mint AUSD, click AUSD and select the amount of AUSD you want to mint. So click max to mint everything and click mint. Click confirm and accept the request in your wallet. To mint VUSD, click mint, click VUSD, click max and click mint. Click confirm and accept the request in your wallet. Once you've minted AUSD and VUSD, it's time to stake. So to stake, click stake, and here you can stake AUSD, STATH, USDE, LVL USD and VUSD. So to stake AUSD, click stake, select max, click stake, click confirm and accept the request in your wallet. To claim USDE, click stake, click max, click stake, click confirm and accept the request in your wallet. To claim LVL USD, click stake, click max, click stake, click confirm and accept the request in your wallet. To stake VUSD, click stake, click max, click stake, click confirm and accept the request in your wallet. I can't stake STATH because I couldn't claim it from the faucet, but if you can claim it, the process for staking STATH is the same as with these other tokens. So every 24 hours, return to this dApp, claim your test tokens, mint your test tokens and stake them. The more you mint and stake, the more points you get and the greater your rewards for participating in the testnet. So that's it about the MAITRIX Testnet for now. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in the comments or in my Telegram group. You'll find the link to the group in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more MAITRIX Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. You will also find a link to some of the hottest testnets in the bonus section of this description. So check it out and join as many testnets as you can. So keep claiming your test tokens, minting, and staking on the MAITRIX Testnet. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.